Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we will delve deeply into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 30th of June, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since June 30th, 2025, our system has ranked SoundHound AI as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.91. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth is likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 20.47% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 2.75% to 44.29%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of around 34.13%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 9.62% and 247.24% over the coming year. In present terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $11.76 and $37.26. Here is the latest daily update for SoundHound AI. The headline reads, on Monday, SoundHound AI Incorporated stock price gained an impressive 9.16%. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 30th of June, 2025, the stock price for SoundHound AI Incorporated increased by 9.16%, rising from $9.83 to $10.73. During that day, the stock fluctuated by 8.80%, with a low of $10.05 and a high of $10.93. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 17.91% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 29 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 64 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $683,160,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $24.98, while the lowest price was $3.82. Currently, the stock price is 57.05%, or $14.25, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which is also the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI, known by its ticker symbol SOUN, is experiencing significant upward momentum on the stock market, with shares climbing by over 9% today alone. This surge is driven by enthusiastic investor sentiment and optimism among Wall Street analysts regarding the company's growth potential. The current environment is ripe for investment, particularly in sectors leveraging generative artificial intelligence, a technology that is reshaping industries and attracting substantial attention from investors. The prospect of a short squeeze is also influencing SOUN's stock performance. With considerable short interest, a rapid exit by short sellers could lead to substantial price increases, further drawing in speculative traders and boosting investor interest. As the market continues to rebound from earlier dips, major indexes are hitting new highs, creating favorable conditions for stocks like SoundHound. The potential for expanded revenue, driven by innovative applications in the automotive and consumer sectors, reinforces bullish projections. Therefore, in the short term, soaring stock prices may attract more buyers, while in the long run, sustained growth in revenue can solidify SoundHound's standing as a key player in the artificial intelligence space, likely leading to continued appreciation in stock value. The current momentum reflects a promising trajectory for both new and existing investors in SoundHound AI. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN underperform rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, it was also noted that Wedbush rated SOUN as a buy with a hold recommendation. Additionally, on that Wednesday, H.C. Wainwright again assigned SOUN a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, Wedbush upgraded SOUN to an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On that same date, Cantor Fitzgerald gave SOUN an overweight rating with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is also rated as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio reflects a strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, analysts have categorized the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. The SoundHound AI Inc. stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between these two indicators, given that the long-term average is above the short-term average. During any downward corrections, some support can be expected at the levels of $9.85 and $10.06. Should the stock fall below either of these levels, it will trigger sell signals. Additionally, a buy signal is indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is generally viewed as a favorable technical indicator. Nonetheless, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting near-term developments. A sell signal was noted from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, with the stock having declined by 8.76% so far. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 32 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 14 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 80 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $10.11 and $9.74. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, SoundHound AI Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $10.11. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $9.74 and $9.47. This stock experiences average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved 88 cents between its high and low, or 8.8%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 7.49%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This key metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often influenced by factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could raise concerns about potential bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a loss of 6 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly affect stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $11.01. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI encounters its first support level at $10.11. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point. anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 24th of June, 2025, Sroka Diana conducted an insider sale of 2,800 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of June, 2025, Mohajer Kavan conducted an insider purchase of 240,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of June, 2025, Mohajer Kavan conducted an insider sale of 122,712 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of June, 2025, Mohajer Kavan conducted another insider sale of 131,664 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of June, 2025, Imami Majid conducted an insider purchase of 80,000 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is negative with a ratio of -23.689. In total, insiders purchased 4,791,868 shares and sold 6,912,481 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.11, reflecting a decrease of 5.75%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 31 days ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, coupled with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for SoundHound AI Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 1st of July, we expect SoundHound AI to open lower by approximately 161/10,000ths and start trading at $10.57. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you have a different opinion? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us at StockInvest.